Anisha is guided here by her mother.
Wow,
She
great.
found her.
Great.
She found us on TikTok.
Wow, amazing.
This is her brother-in-law.
Wow, great. So excited. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Anisha has worked hard, dedicated, diligent student. We're happy to celebrate her visa acceptance. Yay, Anisha!
Congratulations.
Yay! Yes. Anisha going to the United States for her studies. She's going to be a great student who did that. Next time, shoot it that way. So we're so excited for you, Anisha. Please tell us, how did your interview go that day? Were you nervous?
No, sir.
Were you confident?
Yes, sir.
She is one of the most confident students I ever met. And so she's just ready and like dynamite to come and give her sharing. So what questions did they ask you that day?
First, I said, "Good morning, sir."
Yes.
And he said, "Good morning, girl." And I passed my I-20 transcript and passport. Then he was like, "Are you under 18?" Then I said, "Yes, sir." And he asked me, "Is this your first attempt?" And I said, "Yes, sir." And he asked me, "What is your dream?" And I said, "Sir, I want to become a conservation botanist at Nepal's Ministry of Forest and Environment, where I plan to develop conservation strategies to protect our horrible and endangered plant species." Then he said, "Why?" And I said, "Because I'm passionate about Nepal's rich biodiversity and the crucial role plants play in our ecosystem, and inspired by Dr. Kamal Malla." Then he stopped me and asked me about my hometown. "Where is your hometown?" And I said, "Sangja Waling." And he said, "How much time it takes to come here?" And I said, "1 day." "And what about the bus ticket price?" Then I said, "It's only 1,600. And he said, "Did you come alone to give interview?" And then I said, "Yes, sir." And he asked me about what does your parents do? And I said, "My father is in Qatar, works for a tire company as a security in charge since 20 years. And my mother runs our grocery store in Pokhara." Then after 5-second pause, then I said, "My sister is in Japan and she is also my sponsor, and we have total annual combined income of $49,000. Apart from that, we have savings of $37,000 in my mom's bank account." Then he asked me about Mustang scholarship, which was given by my university according to my academic merit. And I said that answer. And he asked me about what was that? Asked me about my university, why this university. And I said, because of the location of the university really appeals to me, as I'm someone who loves to stay connected with nature, and there is strong focus on URC program, undergraduate research conference. Then he stopped me and asked, "How many university did you apply?" And I said, "2 university, Webster and this." "And did you got accepted to both?" Then he said, and then I said, "Yes, sir." And he asked me about
why you chose that, or
no. Then he asked me about my 11th grade. Then I said, little below than mine. Then below than my actual GPA was 3 something.
Yes.
But I said 2.79.
Okay.
but he didn't ask me for that score. And he asked me about my IELTS score, and I said 6, not less than 6. And he asked me about weather of Minnesota. Then I said it's cold. Then he take a low sleep and look at me for 2 seconds, and I was like, I wasn't realizing anything.
Right.
And then he take green sleep and look at me for 2 seconds. And then he was like, "Which one do you want?" And I said, I wasn't able to realize what is happening.
Yes, right.
And then I realized that. Then I said I was speaking Nepali at that
Yes,
time.
yes.
Then I said like I said Tio.
Tio.
Yeah, and I said, and then I realized that, and I said that green one, sir, and he passed me this.
Wonderful, wonderful. We're so happy for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So happy for you and your mom. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you're welcome. And Suresh? Yeah, one of our leading students. Yeah.
For her mom.
Yes. Great.
Thank
we
you,
like
sir.
Anisha was guided here by her mother.
Wow.
She found-
Great,
She
great.
found her. She
Great.
found us on TikTok.
Wow. Amazing, amazing.
This is her brother-in-law.
Wow. Great, great. Yes, yes. Yes, so happy for all of your family.
And my mother found us on TikTok and she sent them to explore the office.
Okay,
She didn't find the office the first time.
Oh, really?
And then and again she sent them back to see the office.
Okay,
And
okay.
The next round and they found the office.
Wonderful,
The
wonderful.
documentation. So
Yeah.
and Anisha was saying something right that she felt like she wasn't beyond education when she was in the embassy because it's all Americans, and then she felt like you are the one who's interviewing.
Yeah.
So how was it like? Can you explain that?
Yeah, I was quite nervous before the interview when
Yes.
I was waiting
the
for
waiting
waiting for the interview. Then I entered in that area. It was felt like our consultancy.
Yes, yes.
There were quite of students
Mhm.
and both are nervous,
Yes.
like who used to be in the
Yeah,
first
yeah.
time at the at this consultancy.
Mhm.
Then I was students are quite nervous and they didn't give the give answer in quite confident, so
Yeah.
I was laughing.
Yes.
I was laughing like I was feeling
You were
this is
listening
my
to their answers?
yes, sir.
Mhm.
And I felt that I'm in consultancy because of that environment. Then I laughed loudly. Then visa officer noticed me and he was also laughing. And through that environment and practicing a lot with you helped me to
succeed this.
uh,
Then she felt
then
like very similar to the consultancy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she was like talking to friends, just
Yeah.
like, oh, yes,
Yeah.
Well,
you know,
my visa officer was male, so I felt that
Mhm.
you are the one.